Hello, 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 and welcome to my abode. I am Tracy. Please have a seat, get comfortable, and enjoy yourself. If you like what you see, please subscribe, but please hit that like button. Everyone, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. I am building a box tonight, and I thought I'd bring you along. I started already and thought about you all. So this is a dominoes box. I create dominoes and then I try to create a box to put them in. Well, these are the professional size, so I'll show you the back of one. They are large, and so they don't fit my normal box that I use. Let me grab that box. This is a box. It's an acrylic container that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and it fits a normal size, a regular size set of dominoes, and I normally decorate it some type of way. Well, these dominoes are too large and it won't fit in here. I use this, and then there's another long acrylic box that I use, and they won't fit in those either. So I have a cigar box that I painted, and I want to decorate it a little more. So let me take you down so you can see what I'm doing. So this is what I have, and it's like 6 by 5, and it's kind of deep, so 2 inches, a little over 2 inches deep. So I have, it is what is it? I forget the name of the cigar. But anyway, I painted it black, and then I did the inside. So I've already put felt down here on the bottom, and then I created this side so that the dominoes will not slide around. And I just used felt and this foam that I wrapped around to create this barrier here so that these dominoes will fit in here. And I'll show you later, after I finish this box, how they fit in here. So, this young lady, her son ordered these dominoes for her, and she's an avid domino player. She's elderly, and he placed an order some years ago, back before COVID. And they were burgundy. They were really beautiful. I was trying to scroll back to see if I could find them. So that was around, I don't know, maybe 2016, 17, 18, something like that. Anyhow, she wants a larger size domino, and she wants them in black with white dots because her eyesight is failing her, and she wants to see those dots. And so I've created, oh, you can see them, can't you? Let me move those out of the way. I used a mica powder, black, and then an enamel that I put these dots in. And so they're larger, and I need this box. But it's just too plain for me. I know she wants black and white, but I just feel that it needs a little something else. So what I'm going to do, let me stop babbling. I just wanted to fill you in on the story. And I think I want to, I know, I'm going to try. We're going to see what this looks like. I hope I don't ruin the box. But I want to use napkins and decoupage. So I found in my stash of napkins this here, which is black and white, and it has some blue in it. So I want to do this top part first. And let's see how we're going to do this. So I have Mod Podge, and this is the fabric tissue type of Mod Podge, and I have a foam brush. So let's do this. And if you can hear in the background, I don't know if you can or not, I am listening to the Broke Farmer and So Good Garden, Calvin. Alright, let's get started. So I don't want it to stick closed, so I need to prop this some kind of way. Yeah, I'll prop it like that. And add this Mod Podge. Thin layer. A let's see how this is going to work. Don't want to put it on too thick. So I'm just going to spread out a thin layer. And this is kind of thick, actually. I might have to spray it with water. It's a little thick. We're going to see.
You gonna burn something up? I mean, once the thing started, all the ball. Now, because if you're home now, they just encourage.
Let's put this piece on.
Grace, girl, 27 years old. I ain't going to join away my brother going to life. Right on time.
And rub it down on here. I'm just going over the edges somewhat, making sure that I go over the edge. And I want it to lay flat. Don't rub too hard. And I'm going to trim it just a little bit. It's okay to have some hanging over the edges because I'm going to sand that off. But I'm going to trim it just a little bit. I spoke to most of the people in here, but David came in and Sassy. I haven't seen Sassy in a while. Alright, I'm going to prop this up again, and I'm going to coat the outside.
I spent $75 on the sauce. I told that lie. Or we get $50 for some seeds. Packs of seeds. Because you gotta get it. So many different varieties of everything. There's just so much to do. Building your raised beds, buying your raised beds, getting metal raised beds, whatever you're doing. If you're gardening in the dirt, you're doing no till method, it's still gonna cost you. I just want some more seeds. I got a bag full of these right here.
Okay. Now we got to let this dry.
I tell you what, it's not cheap if you got a passion.
So I'll be back. I'm going to use my heat gun to speed up the process. Let me plug this in. I'll be back after I dry this. This is what it's looking like. I thought I was filming to show you. Let me just show you how I took the edges off. So the hangover, I just took this sanding block and did like this to get the edges off. I sanded too much right here and I got a little white spot. I don't know if you can see that. And so I have a permanent ink marker and I'm just going to cover that up. So it's got a few wrinkles in it, but that's okay. And what I think I'm going to do, I'm not going to put another coat of Mod Podge on here. I believe when the sun comes out tomorrow, I'm going to use some UV resin and coat this so that it's protected. Now I'm thinking, would it be too much to go all the way around? Don't know. Or is that enough? What y'all think? Is that enough? Or should I go all the way around this box?
Live.
I think,
Live.
I don't know. I'll think about it. So let me just show you, so that I don't make this video too long. Let me show you how they're going to fit in here. The dominoes are going to fit in here. Stack them. And these are the beautiful dominoes. They are so nice. Stack them by fours.
Stop telling these lies. You know you got your cousin wanting your daughter. Oh, I'm gonna keep it up with you. Your assistant guardian. Keeping it up, like, go. You got somebody. I give the neighbors key.
So I'm going to have 2 rows,
Watch.
3 rows stacked in 4 by 2.
I saw something good. Need water.
And this is why I put this little foam right here. Let me show you. So that they fit in here and don't
I know
move.
it is. There's no way I can go without water. Tell it live. Big live, no wins. Garden by the barns in the field. What's up, folks? So good. And cheers,
Almost got them all. Hold on.
There's 2 humans down here. You have to kill them. They not ready.
Alright, and then I can place 4 right here.
My God. I watch it. But yo, come with it.
Now they fit perfectly without moving around in this box.
Turn that camera on. Say I got one at the project today. That's it.
So there's foam here for that space, and then foam here.
Stephanie going to say LOL. Yeah, all my little extra change.
So I'm trying to think if I want some type of closure, because it doesn't go all the way down. There's a little space right here. Not sure yet. I got to figure that out, how I want to put a closure on here, if I want to put a closure on here. And then I will be putting the UV resin on the top of this, and then thinking about going all the way around. Not sure. So I always include a care card in here with the dominoes. And that's actually going to go on the bottom. And then I don't know what else I'm going to do. We'll see. But so far this is what I have. Tell me what you think. There you go. Tell me what you think. If you think I should go all the way around, which I probably will, because usually if I say something, then I'm going to do it. And then trying to figure out how to put a latch on here. So thank you for watching. I truly appreciate you. Tell me what you think about this box. What would you do differently? Leave me a comment and let me know. Should I put a latch on there? Some type of latch to hold that down? Should I go all the way around with this beautiful tissue paper? You really can't see it, you know, if I do. I think maybe I should just leave it like this. Don't overdo it. But you see how that top is not all the way down? And that's going to irritate me. Anywho and anyhow, I'm babbling. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day, evening, morning, whenever you're watching this. Deuces. We'll see ya. Toodles.